Thrust not achieved, falling. Mayday, mayday, mayday. Those were the last words of Captain Sumit Sabharwal and his crew from the cockpit of Air India Flight 171 moments before the Boeing Dreamliner crashed in Ahmedabad in one of the deadliest air crashes in India's aviation history. The Ahmedabad police confirmed the pilot's chilling distress call. The aviation ministry said that the pilots made the distress call after the plane failed to rise above 650 feet, but the ATC or air traffic controller's responses got no reply. The plane had crashed by then. The heavily fueled Boeing 787 Dreamliner crashed into BJ Medical College students' hostel in a residential area near the airport, exploding into a fireball that killed all but one.